Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Ariba Drawing Tutorials. This is Ariba. I am today drawing a very easy, simple beginner's scenery. So here I am using a 2HB pencil. You can use any pencil you are comfortable with. First of all, I am drawing a small house just like this. Take out your pencil and paper and start to draw with me. My Bangladeshi viewers, Indonesian viewers, Malaysian viewers, Pakistani viewers and Indian viewers, thank you for being on my video, and don't forget to comment how my drawing is, and if you have any suggestion I'll surely act upon it and give response to your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video please hit the like button. So here I am drawing the house just like this, and drawing the roof. I have drawn window and a door in it, and now it's time for the roof. These are beginners friendly drawings, so you can draw it very easily without any restrictions or any proper rules. There are no rules, just draw the way I am drawing, because these are simplest, easiest beginners drawings. So anybody, especially the school children, for their competitions, these drawings are very helpful, and I hope you will like it. So now I'm drawing a tree behind that house, and now drawing a base line behind that house and making it curvy on the other side. Now drawing the brink of the river. While taking a scale, I'm drawing a straight line in the background just like this. Now I'm drawing the mountains in behind. That's it. Our drawing is about to complete. So watch the video till end. Now drawing some grass, and the drawing is